Looking at what problems involving multiplication, the first approach is to read your question carefully and find out what it is asking you to do. Then you map out a way to solve it and solve it, right?
Hmm?
So the first one, a chair costs $452 and a table costs $1750. What will be the cost of 15 chairs and 30 tables? So you have to multiply the price of the chairs by 15 and the cost of the table by 30, then add your answers together. Did you add the answers together?
I thought I was meant to do them separate.
Well, what will be the cost if you're going to the market and somebody want to ask you, give you money, and the person said, what will be the cost of 15 tables and 15 chairs and 30 tables? Are you going to give the person two separate amounts or the total amount that you're supposed to take to the market?
Uh,
It should be
Total
total.
amount.
Yeah, it should be total amount. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. So,
Four. Hello?
yeah, I'm hearing you. So it should be total amount, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Um, let's see. 452 times 15, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So that'll be 5 times 2 is what? 10.
Mm,
5 times 5, 25 plus 1, 26. And 5 times 4, 20 plus 2. That will be 22. Then 1 times 2 and 1 times 5 and 1 times 4. Then you add these layers together. That is 0, this is 8, this is 7, this is 6, 7 is 0. So that was the first answer there. And the second aspect is 1750 times 30. So 0 multiply out to give me 0 in 4 places. And 3 times 0, 3 times 5 is 15. You keep 1. 3 times 7 is 21. You add 1, making 22. You keep 2. And 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. 42500 for 2,500. So the cost now will be 6780 plus 42. Okay. Well, I need to rewrite that and put the bigger number at the top. 452 and 1750. Yeah. So I have 42, 500 plus what? 6780. So this would be 12 here, 9 and 4. So the cost is 49,280. Okay,
okay.
is that fair?
Yeah.
Then number two, we have each student of class 4 gets $75 for flood victims. Okay. If there are 368 students in class 4, what's the total of money collected? So that means total amount of money collected will be the 368 student times 75 since everybody got the money. So 368 times 75. 5 times 8 is 40. So 5 times 6 is 30 plus 4. Keep 3. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 3, 18. Then 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 6 is 42 plus 5, that's 47. Keep 4. And 7 times 3 is 21 plus that's 25. We have 0. We have 10, 15, making 16, 6 making 7, and this is 2, 7, 600. Okay. We got 27, 100 instead of 27, 600. Mm. So
Yeah.
you need to take note of that, okay?
Okay.
And number 3, we have an orchard has 46 rows of mango trees. If there are 150 trees in each row, what is the total number of mango trees in the orchard? So that means we have 150 trees in 46 rows. We multiply it. So 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 3. That's 9. And 4 times 5 is 20. I mean, 4 times 0 is 0. So 4 times 5 is 20. Give 2. 4 times 1 is 4 plus this and 6. So this is 0, 0, 9, 6, 9. So the answer is correct for this one. And to number 4, as the fourth one, a showroom has 165 bicycles. Each bicycle costs 4,500. What is the total cost of all the bicycles? So that is 4,500 times 165. And this is going to be 5 times 0, 5 times 0, 5 times 5 is 25. We keep 2. Then 5 times 4 is 20 plus 2, that's 22. You don't have 2 here again. Then 6 times 0, 6 times 0, 6 times 5 is 30, we keep 3. 6 times 4, 24 plus 3, 27. Then 1 times 0, 1 times 0, then 1 times 5, and 1 times 4. So the total gonna be 0, 5, 2. Then this is 7 plus 5, that's 12 plus 2, 14, which is 1. So this is going to be 6 plus the 1, that's 7. So that's 74. Okay, 742,500. So you didn't get the answer to the last one. So if I give you this first one, because you only wrote the answer separately, but next time, read the question carefully and make sure you have them together, okay?
Okay.
Then the second one, something went wrong in your multiplication. Why the third one is okay, and the fourth one also. You need to check your multiplication. So I'll give you some time to write down the correction before we proceed for today, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So what we want to do on this page is to reduce these fractions to their lowest terms. And also at the bottom it says find the total of these fractions and answer in its lowest terms. Please concentrate so that when you're doing the remaining, I'll do some of them right now, then you do the remaining assignment against tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
So the first one, number one, 12 over 21. When you have been asked to reduce it to lowest term, it means Look for number that can divide 12 and that can divide 21. What number could that be? That should be 3. Okay.
Okay.
How many 3 can go in 12? That's 4 times. How many times does 3 go in 21? That's 7 times. Is this clear to you?
Yeah.
And in other words, we say 44 over 7 is the same as 12 over 21 because they are called equivalent fractions. Okay.
Okay.
Now, number 2, we have 36 over 60. Can you think of a number that can divide 36 and can also divide 60?
Yeah. Let me think. 36, 12, 15.
Yeah, we can think of 2 to divide them because they are both even numbers. But 2 won't give us the lowest term. If we think of 4, 4 will also divide them. If I divide them with 2, I'll have 18 over 60. I mean, over 30, okay?
Yeah, but what if 3?
Okay, if I use 3, I will have 12 over 20. If I use 4, I will have um, 4 in 36, that's 9, okay? And 4 in
Okay.
60, that's 15. And all these numbers are not in their lowest terms already. So I need to think of another bigger number, maybe 6, okay? Okay.
But with the one that says 12 over 20, you can use 2.
Yeah, we can still continue, but we want something that we're going to use. So if we think about 6, 6 in 36 is 6, and 6 in 60 is 10. This is still not in lowest term. Please, are you looking at this? Concentrate. So,
I'm trying to
le-
get back.
so let's look at another number, maybe 12, okay?
Okay.
So if we use 12, 12 in 36 will give us 3, and 12 in 60 will give us 5. So 3 over 5 is already in the lowest term. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So what number did I say we're using now? We're using 12. What number are we using now?
Well,
12 in 36 is what?
yeah.
3, because 12 times 3 is 36. So 12 in 60 is what? 5,
Uh,
because 12 times 5 is 60. Is this clear to you?
yeah.
Okay. Number 3, before I move to another, maybe 2 in the at the bottom side. So number 3, we have 30 over 66. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. If and there is no crime if I keep dividing with smallest number 2. I could divide by 2 and get 15 over 33. Okay.
Okay.
You're not looking at this. Then I could divide by 3 next to get 5 over 11. So that means I might decide to remove all of this out of the show, and this becomes the answer. Okay.
Okay.
Because we have to leave it in the lowest term. Is that clear?
Yeah.
That's the first part. That's the top part of this problem. Then the next one is the bottom part, which says you should find the, let's start from number 10. Find the total. Now 6 over 12 plus 3 over 12. Fortunately enough, you have the same denominators, okay?
Yeah.
So what you do is to pick your denominator and add the numbers at the top because they are common denominators. So this is going to be 9 over 12, okay?
Okay.
This is the 9 over 12. Wait a minute. Let me bring this up again so that. So this will be 9 over 12. And that's it. Then you read something there that says you should leave your answer in the lowest term, right?
Yeah.
So what can we use to divide 9 and 12? That's 3. 3 in 9 is 3. And 3 in 12 is 4. So your answer should be 3. If you don't leave your answer in the lowest form, you're going to miss your mark. Okay?
Okay.
So take note of this. Then the next one, I said I'm going to do 2. So the second one that I'm doing is number 11. That is 2 over 10 plus 6 over 10. So this is simply over 10, 2 plus 6. And this is 8 over 10. Is 8 over 10 in the lowest form?
No.
So what number can divide both 8 and 10? That's 2.
2.
2 in 8, 4. 2 in 10, 5.
5.
So it's already in the lowest term where nothing can divide both of them at the same time apart from 1. And 1 wouldn't change the value. So put down these solutions while I send the remaining to you to do as
Homework.
homework. Yeah. So let me write homework on this one. Homework. Then gonna remove the ones that we've done. We've done numbers 1, 2, and 3. Then remaining numbers this. And the other one, we've done numbers 10 and 11. Then remaining numbers 12 to numbers 12 to 15. So it's 12 to 15. So getting started, we want to look at um, this homework, evaluating algebraic expressions. So the first one says 5a minus 1. So what is a? A is 3. 5 of 3 minus 1. And that gives us 15 minus 1, which is 14. And your answer to that is correct. Then number 2, we have 2a plus 3. 2a plus 3. A is also the same figure, which is 2 into 3 plus 3. And this will be 6 plus 3 because 2 times 3 is 6. And this is 9. Then number 3, we have 7 minus 2a. And that is equal to 7 minus 2 times 3. So this will be 7 minus 6, which is finally 1. And your answer is again correct. Number 4, we have 4 into 2 of a, 2a minus 4. So this is going to be 4 into 2 times 3, then minus 4. Then we have 4 into 6 minus 4 because 2 times 3 is 6. Then we have finally 4 into 6 minus 4 is 2, and that gives us 8. So you can see whenever we're evaluating, we are always getting numbers 14, 9, 1, 8, and so on, numbers as our answers. So that is different from simplifying algebraic expressions. So we're going to look at it after now, okay?
Okay.
Then it's number 5, which is the fifth one. A divided by 3. Since A is 3, we have 3 divided by 3, and that gives us 1. So you got us 2 answers. And the last one, but not the least, we have A into A plus 1. That means we have 3 into 3 plus 1. And that is 3 into 4, which is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. So this is an excellent job, okay? All right. Now the next one is simplifying algebraic expression. Let's look at this. And please don't blink your eye during this explanation. The first one says write 2x times y times z without multiplication sign. This is simply 2x, y, z. That's all. That means we are multiplying them, okay?
Okay.
The next one says simplify this, giving your answer without a multiplication sign. So we have 2 times 3 is 6 and 6 times 5 is 30. So we have 30 x, y, z. Okay. And the next
Okay.
one says 5t times 7t. 5 times 7 is 35. And t times t is t squared. Okay.
Okay.
So that means I'm going to have 35t squared. Then the next one, without multiplication sign, 2 times x is 2x. 8 times a times b is 8ab. 7 times 4 times f is 28f, because 7 times 4 is 28. Then 2 times b times 5 is 2 times 5, 10. Then we have b. And the next one, 5 times p, 5p. 3 times 2, 6. Then 6a. Then 10ab. Okay. And this is going to be 24xz. Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. The next one is saying you should simplify all of these. So you will discover that when we were evaluating, we were getting real numbers, but here we're getting both um, number and alphabet as our answer. That is under simplifying. So you just simplify this, you make it appear in the simplest form, not expanded form. So 3 times 12 is 36. We have 36a, 36a. Then 4 times 2 is 8. We have 8e. 4 times 3 is 12. We have 12ab. 8 times abc. That is 8abc. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not hearing you loud and clear. Okay.
Okay.
Aha. Or are you paying for the voice? Maybe the louder you make the voice, the more you pay. Right? So we have A times 3B times 4C. 3 times 4 is 12, so we have 12ABC. We have 4 times 3 times 5, that is 12 times 5, that's 60. Then DEF. Then we have W times W, that's W squared. And 3D times D, that's 3D squared. 7P times P, that's 7P squared. 6x times 2x, that is 12x squared. Is that clear?
Yes.
And this is 63D. This is 15A. What do you think the next one should be?
63 EG.
63EG. 63EG. So what? This is 4 times 7, right?
Plus 28 DF.
28DAF. 28DAF. Okay, let me change that color to write that. 28DAF. Okay, I think I change it to green to show black. Okay. Then 2 times 4 is 8. That's 8 ABC, right? Right?
Yes.
Then 2 times 3 times 4 is what?
C for C B D.
Yeah, 2 times 3 times 4 is what? 2 times 3 times 4 is what?
That's for CBAD.
24 CBAD, right? Or ABCD.
Yes. CBAD.
Hmm?
CBAD.
No, it's ABCD. You call the letters alphabetically, okay?
Okay.
Though the other one, I should have written ADF, okay?
Okay.
So if it's going to be in an option, they're going to follow the alphabetical order, okay?
Okay.
Then this is going to be A square, and this is going to be 2K square, it's going to be 3Q square, and this is 36R square. Okay, write each expression without the division sign. Well, without division sign, just put in fraction, okay?
Okay.
And just put it in fraction, and that's going to be x over 5 for this one. Then this is going to be a over 12, 2 over x, then x over y.
Uh,
And the next one will be 4x plus 1
one,
over 5.
five,
While the last one here on this part will be 2 plus x over
eight.
1 plus x, okay?
So five.
And the next one,
It's not five.
what did you say?
One plus five.
Cross multiply. Hmm?
Said it's one plus five.
1 plus y. Okay, 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 at the bottom. Oh, yeah, thank you for that. Now we have the other one that is z over 2. Then we have b over 5. Also 5 over d, a over b, and 2x plus y over 5. And finally on this part we have x minus y over 3 plus b. Okay, simplify the following expressions by dividing by any common factors. Okay, okay.
Okay.
So what this is trying to let us know is that we should reduce them to the lowest term possible. Simplify. So I have x can divide x here, so I have just 2 over 5. In the other one, I can have a divide a, so I have 2b over 5. In this one, 5 can divide them and a can divide them, okay? A divide a, then 5 divide 10 to give me 2, and 5 divide 15 to give me 3, okay? Is that clear? In the next one, x divide x, then 21 over 7 is 3. In this one, a divides a, then we have 5 over 9. This other one, we have 2x over 4. So 2 divide 4 to give me 2. So we have 1x over 2, which is x over 2. Don't put your 1 there. Then here, y cancels y. 0 cancels 0. Then we have 3 over 4. Just like saying 10 in 30 is 3 and 10 in 40 is 4. Is that clear? Is that clear? Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes. Said
Let me
yes.
be able to hear you loud and clear. So here, x divide x, 4 over 2 is 2. So we just have 2y. And here, um,
Yes.
what's that?
Not
Okay, nothing. There'll be nothing. So b cancels b. Then we have 9a over 4 because nothing is common to 9 and 4. So 9a over 4. Then 3 can divide 9 and 12. So that's 3 over 4x. 4 over 2 is 2. That's 2a. And 3, 9 over 3 is 3. Then x cancel x. So we have 3 over y. Okay?
okay.
All right. I'm going to allow you to put down these solutions. Then I'll give you something to try. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. So this is a classwork on simplifying algebraic expression. The first one says 3a plus 4a. This gives me 7a, and 2b plus b gives me 3b. So your answer is correct. Then the second one, please make sure you're concentrating. 7y plus 5y is 12y. Then 2h plus 2h is 4h.
Orange.
That's good. Then your answer is correct again. Then g plus g, that is 2g. And 8a plus 2a, that is 10a. So your answer is as well correct. 2g plus, or did you say 8a? Okay, 10a, I've seen. But then, okay, let's finish first. Let's finish it first. Let's see, 7p plus, or 7m plus 8m, that is 15m. Then 7p
Yes.
plus p, that's 8p plus 2p, that is 10p. Then the other one, we have 9e plus e, that's 10e. Then plus 2 plus 2 is 4. I think you got that, and you got the other one. Let me see if there's, okay, there are some at the bottom. 4 plus 8 is 12, and 3a plus 2a is 5a. So 5a plus 12, or 12 plus 5a. Anyhow, you've written it, but next time write the algebra first before the number. Then,
Okay.
yeah. Then the next one, I have 2y plus 3y, that is 5y. Then 4 minus 1, that is 3. So 5y. Did you write plus 3? Yeah, that's plus 3.
Yes, plus 3.
Then this one is 3w minus w, that's 2w. Then 8 minus 3 is 5, so that's 2w plus 5. So written that first. And the last but not least, we have 4s negative plus 10, that is 6s. Then 5 minus 2, that is 3. So 6. Wait a minute. What did you write in this one?
3 minus bracket minus 6s.
Mm,
Because that's already minus bracket. 2 minus.
now it's supposed to be plus, okay?
Oh. Okay.
That will be 6s plus 3. Okay, fine. But what I wanted to mention something. Whenever they ask you to simplify, you didn't finish the simplification in some of the questions. Here, you can still see that 4 can divide both of them, so it will be 4 into 3y, okay, plus 1, plus h. So if you open the bracket, you have this, okay? Is that clear?
Yes.
Then the other one should be what? 2 can divide them, so it should be 2 into g plus 5a. Then this other one should be what? 5 can divide them, so 5 into 3
Two.
m plus 2p, right?
Yes.
And this one should be 2 into 5e plus 2. This one is okay. This one is okay. This one's okay. So the rest, okay. Only the last one can now be 3 into 2s. And let me write this as, and let it look like this. So 2s, you know, 2s plus 1, okay?
Okay.
And that's where we're running up for today. I'll send you assignment right now.